Very good afternoon, children. I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to revise some word meanings of your syllabus. Okay. So your syllabus almost completed and revision almost also done. One chapters are maybe left. One chapters or two chapters are maybe left. So today we are going to revise some word meanings. Okay. So first, Mahi, are you able to see my screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, your face is showing.
Now,
Yes. Mm,
so today's word of the day is personable. Yesterday I've already given this word, but yesterday most of the children were absent because of some sports activity. So today I'm repeating all these things again. So write the new word, that is personable. It is an adjective.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मेरा ना कल कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ था पूरा, तो आज मैं उसी में पूरा कंप्लीट कर लूं कि नेक्स्ट डेट डाल
No,
के
no,
उसी
no.
को लिखूं फिर से.
No need to write the new date. You just write 14th January, then write the word meaning.
ओके मैम.
So word of the day, personable. Yes, Ansh.
मैम आज टंग ट्विस्टिंग होगा.
Yes, tongue twisting also I'll give you.
ओके मैम.
So write word of the day, that is personable. Word of the day, personable. And today's riddle of the day. Yesterday I have given this one. It belongs to you, but your friends use it more. What is this? This is your name. Yes, yesterday I told you the answer. Your name. So another riddle I am going to share you. That is, what is always in front of you but cannot be seen? What is this? What is always in front of you but cannot seen? Okay, Darshil. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Darshil. Tell me. Darshil, your voice is not coming. Eyes. Your voice is not coming. Eyes. Okay, what is in front of you but you cannot see? Eyes, okay, but it is not appropriate. Eyes is not appropriate. Vidit, yes, do you know the answer? Yes, Vidit.
मैम
Ear,
मैम यार.
air, air.
Yes.
Okay, you cannot see air. Okay, Akshat,
मैम योर फेस.
your face. But if you
यस मैम
stand
वी
in
कैन
front
मैम
of mirror, if you stand in front of mirror, that you can see your face. Mahi, do you know the answer? Yes, Aditya. Aditya, do you know? Aditya, do you know the answer? Ansh Jain, do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya, do you know the answer?
I know.
Another Tanish. Who will give the answer? Risha Jain, do you know? Yes, Risha, tell me.
What is future?
Future, correct answer. Future. The future.
Ma'am,
So, what is always in front of you but you cannot see? Yes,
मैम
the
आप
correct
इसको
answer is
भेज देना Zoom में.
the correct answer is future. So today's riddle of the day completed and word meaning also completed. So next we are going to discuss about word meanings. Word meaning. Now, so one by one I will ask you and you have to give the answer. First word meaning. Glistening. Glistening. Arya Jain, do you know the word meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the word meaning of glistening.
Shining.
Shining, correct answer. Shining. Absolutely correct, Arya. Shining. Next, Ansh Jain. Wood. 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 Ansh Jain. What is the word meaning of wood?
मैम वुड का मतलब तो टूटता नहीं है.
Small
Marble.
forest. A small forest. Wood means a small forest. Okay. So what is the meaning of wood? A small forest. Right? Next. Kashvi. Kashvi. Moss. What is the word meaning of moss? MOSS. Moss. I have given from your book. What is the word meaning of moss? What is the word meaning of moss? A soft green plant. It is one kind of plant. Okay?
Soft
Repeat
green
after me.
plant.
Soft green plant. That is moss. What is moss? Moss is a kind of plant that is a soft kind of plant. A soft green plant that is moss. Okay?
A soft green plant. Okay.
Yes, soft green plant that is moss. So what is the word meaning of moss? Moss means soft, bolo, soft green plant. Tanish Jain. Tanish Jain.
Ma'am,
Beetle. Beetle. Do you
मैं
know
आपकी
the
आवाज
word?
क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
Okay, you don't know the meaning. कोई बात नहीं, no issue. I will tell you the answer. But before that, somebody raise hand. Kavisha Goel. You know the answer? Kavisha? Yes, Kavisha Goel. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Beetle, word meaning. Do you know the word meaning?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is a type of insect. Beetle means a type of insect. It is one
Ma'am,
kind of insect. Okay, beetle means insect. Next. Next word meaning. Merry making. Merry making. What is the meaning of merry making? Anmol. Anmol. Merry making. Anmol Jan. Yes, merry making.
मैम अनमोल ना भी गुरु भगवंत है ना, वहां गया हुआ है.
Okay. Aditya Jain.
मैम आगे अनमोल, एक मिनट आगे. अनमोल जल्दी आ. बाहर निकालिए ना, जल्दी आ. वहीं
Darshil. Darshil. Your voice is not coming. Maybe some network issue. Soham. Nishita Nimbani. Nishita.
yes, ma'am.
What is the word meaning of merry making?
Ma'am, मतलब cook.
Cook. No, wrong. Enjoying oneself. What is the meaning of merry making? Enjoying oneself. Okay. What is the meaning? That I have given from your book. All the word meanings I have given from your book. ये सारे word meaning आपके book में है. Merry making. Okay, means enjoying oneself. So Anmol, now you are ready, Anmol?
Yes, ma'am.
Away. Still away.
Enjoy oneself.
Still away. Do you know the word meaning? Still away.
आता है.
Okay, I will tell you the answer. No issue. But please learn all the word meanings. If you don't know, learn all the word meanings. Akshat. Akshat, do you know? Akshat, do you know?
Still away.
Means
And still far.
sleeps quietly. Sleeps quietly. Okay? Sleeps quietly. So repeat everyone. सब कोई मेरे साथ repeat करोगे. Repeat everyone. Not only Akshat. Merry making means enjoying oneself. Merry making means enjoying oneself. Everybody repeat after me. Yes, enjoying oneself. Still away means leaves quietly. Still away means leaves quietly. Dharya, repeat after me. Still away, Vidhi, Chaitya. Still away, repeat quietly. Now next, Chaitya Jan. Chaitya Jan, are you there? Chaitya Jan, your voice is not coming. Chaitya Jan. Okay, Vidit. Stress.
मैम
Stress. What is the word meaning of stress?
मैम नहीं पता.
You don't know? Okay, no issue. Aditya Jain, do you know the answer? Aditya Jain,
No मैम.
you don't know the meaning? Stress means mark or sign left by someone or something. Mark or sign. That word meaning I have given from if I had a magic carpet. Please learn all the word meaning. Okay, so trace means mark or sign left by someone or something. Mark or sign left by someone or something. Risha Jain,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the word meaning of moss?
Ma'am, a soft green plant.
Trace,
Mark or sign left by someone or something.
correct. Mahi, Mahi, hover. Mahi, Mahi, do you know the answer? Mahi, where are you? Your voice is not coming. Okay, Akshat, hover.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, to remain one place. To remain in one place in the air.
Yes, correct. To remain in one place in the air. To remain in one place in the air. Dharya,
Yes ma'am.
what is the word meaning of trace? What is the word meaning of trace?
Make
Make me, mark, not make, mark.
mark on sign left by someone or something.
Thing. Again, repeat again. Mark or sign left by someone.
Mark on sign left by someone or something.
Thing. What is the word meaning of hover?
To remaining in one places in the air.
Not to remaining. To remain in one place in the air. To remain in one place in the air. Mahi. Mahi.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the word meaning of moss? What is the word meaning of moss?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
What is the word meaning of moss? M-O-S-S, moss. A soft green plant. A soft green plant. What is the word meaning of hover? To remain in one place in the air. Okay? To remain in one place in the air. Now, we will do some another things, that is prefix. Dash gas. Kashvi. You have to add one prefix. Dash gas. Biogas.
Biogas.
Biogas. So bio is prefix. Biogas. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavisha. Ansh Jain. Ansh Jain. Ansh Jain, can you hear me? Matic. Matic. Ansh Jain. Ansh Jain. Matic. Okay, Ansh Jain, your voice is not coming. Arya Jain. Arya Jain.
Yes,
Arya.
ma'am.
Matic. Prefix. Automatic. Automatic. Yeah, yes. Gas, biogas, matic, automatic. Okay, automatic. Repeat after me. Automatic.
Automatic.
Yes. Next, Anmol. Anmol.
Yes, ma'am.
Biography. Biography.
Ma'am, biographic.
So you have to add one prefix. That is what? Biography. Autobiography.
Biographics.
Autobiography. Autobiography. Okay. Kavisha.
मैम कौन से सब्जेक्ट का है?
Yes, ma'am.
English. कौन सा subject means English class is going on.
No, ma'am, chapter.
All the whole syllabus.
मैम जो
Okay. Next, Kavisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Degradable. Degradable. I have given all the prefix from your exercise solution, from your English book. That is from your English book. Degradable. Do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I will tell you the answer. Biodegradable. Okay.
Biodegradable.
Autobiography.
Biodegradable.
Biodegradable. Biodegradable. Okay.
Biodegradable.
Next, it is very easy. Copy. Copy.
Note copy.
Yes, Risha Jain.
मैम autocopy.
No autocopy.
Photocopy.
Photocopy. Yes. Photocopy. Okay. Photocopy. Correct. Next, mobile. Mobile. Soham. Mobile. Soham Jain. Soham, are you there?
Pira.
Soham. Nishita, are you there? Nishita, are you there? Mobile. Nishita, please tell me. Mobile. Which is the correct answer? Mobile.
Ma'am, mobile.
So mobile. So you have to add one prefix, that is automobile. Okay, automobile. So photocopy, automobile. Automobile. Okay? Automobile. This is the correct answer. Automobile. Chaitya Jain, are you there? Chaitya Jain, are you there? Darshil, yes, you are saying correct answer, but your voice is not coming. Dash gas. Darshil. Darshil, your voice is not coming. Some problem is there. Yes, your answer is correct. Biogas. But your voice is not coming. Okay. So Darshil, please uninstall Zoom app and again install it. Maybe some problem is there in your system. So your sound is not coming. Your voice is not coming. So correct answer is biogas. Absolutely right, Darshil. Biogas. Tanis Jain. Tanis Jain, are you there? Tanis Jain.
Biogas.
Tanish. Yes, Tanish. Tanish, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, unmute yourself. I will ask you, wait. Dashmatic. 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 Which is the correct answer? Tanis Jain. Only Tanis Jain will give the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Dashmatic. Okay, I will tell you answer.
Ma'am, automatic.
Yes, automatic. So, biogas, it's automatic. Next, Arya Jain. Arya Jain, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Dash synthetic. Dash synthesis.
Photosynthetic.
Yes, photosynthesis. Dash synthesis, photosynthesis. Correct. Next, dash graph. Dash graph. Who will give the answer? Aditya, do you know the answer? Aditya?
Ma'am, photograph.
Absolutely right. Let's see the answer. Photograph is also right and autograph is also right. Both are correct. Autograph. Okay. And photocopy. So before copy, photo. You have to add. Okay. So wait a minute. We will discuss some antonyms. Opposite meaning also. So wait a minute. So are you ready to give the answer? Antonyms. What is the meaning of opposite meanings? Scared. Do fast. Who will give the answer? Akshat, do you know the answer? Scared. Darshil, your answer is correct, but your voice is not coming, dear. Darshil, your voice is not coming. Okay. Akshat, do you know the answer? Akshat? Mahi?
Yes, ma'am.
Opposite meaning of scared.
Bold.
Bold.
Bold. मैम मेरे से और कोई क्वेश्चन पूछो.
Okay, I will ask you. Wait a minute. Akshat?
Ma'am.
Yes, now
Ma'am.
your voice is coming, Akshat.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Akshat, now, small, it is very easy. Small, big.
Big.
Yes,
मैम
big
बट
is-
हमें आंसर्स तो दिख रहे हैं.
Now, sweet.
Big.
Now, Akshat, now you will give the answer. Sweet.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Sore.
Yes.
Sore. Sore.
You can say bitter also. Stolen. Stolen. Wait,
Okay.
wait. Not Arya, Akshat and Mahi. I will ask you, Kashvi. Kashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Kashvi. Stolen.
Own.
No, stolen. Opposite meaning of stolen. Opposite meaning of stolen. Do you know
मैम
the
आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
yes or no? Do you know the answer? Yes or no? If you don't know, I will tell you answer.
No.
Stole. Stolen. Stolen. The correct answer is found. Stolen. Found. Okay. Correct answer is found. Soham. Soham,
Yes, ma'am.
are you ready? Tired. Tired. Soham, fast. Tired. Do you know the answer?
Lazy. Lazy.
No. I already told you. Day before yesterday, I already told you. The opposite meaning of tired. Energetic. Yes. Energetic. Tired. Energetic. So, repeat after me. Tired. Energetic. Tired. Energetic. Again, repeat after me. Not only Soham, everybody have to repeat after me. Tired, energetic. Okay. Next, pure. Pure. It is also very easy. Anmol, do you know the opposite meaning of pure? Pure. No. Pure, impure. Pure, impure. Repeat after me. 5 times repeat after me. Pure, unpure. Sorry, pure, impure. Pure, impure. Kavisha Goel. Kavisha.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
everybody have to repeat. Sunny.
Sunny, lazy.
No. Sunny. What is the meaning of sunny?
Shady.
Sunny days बोलते हैं ना हम. We are used for climatic sunny day.
Shady.
Sunny, shady. Shady. Bright. Tanish.
Bright.
Not you. Tanish.
Yes, ma'am.
Bright.
Yes, ma'am.
Bright. Opposite meaning of bright. Bright. Opposite meaning of bright.
Ma'am, dark.
Dull or dark? Yes, dark. Or you can say dull also. Correct answer. Upset. It is also very easy. Aryajan. Okay, Aryajan, upset.
Happy.
Upset, happy. Vidit. Vidit.
ये तो यही बोलेंगे कि मैं नहीं आऊंगा तो भी तुम लोग करो।
P. Next, Vidit. Vidit. Scoop. Scoop. Vidit. Scoop. Scoop, Vidit.
मैम
बोलो.
स्प्रे
Correct
मैम
answer.
स्प्रे
Correct. Scoop, spray. Correct answer. Everybody have to repeat. Scoop, spray. Vidit, very good. Absolutely correct answer. Chaitya Jain, your voice is not coming. Chaitya Jain. Punish. Aditya, punish. Aditya, punish. Punish.
Reward, ma'am.
Yes. Fearless. Fearless. Fearless, Aditya. Fearless.
मैम मेरे को इंग्लिश में नहीं आता, हिंदी में बताऊं?
No, you have to say in English. Fearless, cowardly. Fearless, cowardly. Yes, fearless, cowardly.
Cowardly.
Cowardly. Correct answer. So children, time over. Next day we will do tongue twister. Okay. So till that, please learn all the word meanings from your book and learn all the exercises also. Next day, I will ask you some more exercises from verb, prepositions, okay, articles, word meanings, choose the correct options, okay. Take care, children. Till that, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.